All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we're almost an hour into the day, and markets are looking good. Broader markets down a little bit. Dow just barely positive right now. It's just fluttering around that break-even level. Same with the S&P. Nasdaq up 6 though. ZM is our star performer today. I know you guys love that. Up $5 this morning out the gate. Charlie B asks, with the reduction price in Apple, should we get into the trade? Well, not necessarily, but Charlie, the setup, if you look at Apple, is set up the breakout trade.